Hey guys, just hopping on to give you a little tutorial on our lesson plans for online learning. So when you open up your plans, the first page that you come to is just a page of directions and kind of an overview of the week, just some information to read. So as you see, like this section right here are going to be the activities that you must do throughout the week. And then there's a section over here where we'll list activities that you may do. On the first page, this is just an overview, and then it has some important directions that may carry you on through the week. For example, in ELA, it tells you when you go on quizzes to type your first and last name every time. So every day of the week we're going to do quizzes. Make sure you use your first and last name. Also, if you have to type the correct answer, you've got to spell the words correctly for it to be marked correct. So be careful on that as well. Okay, now moving down to the next page, this is where the actual lessons begin, the assignments that you're going to do. So again, here's your must-do activities. Now guys, none of this should take you a really long time. 20, 30 minutes tops is kind of what we're hoping. But what I want to talk to you about mainly is social studies, because we're using a new program and I want to make sure you know how to get in, okay? So when you go to social studies on Monday, you're going to click the link for SS Weekly, and that is going to open up the Studies Weekly login page. Your username is the same username that we use for all of our programs, and I'm going to sign in as Lily. So Lily, just let me use your account for a minute. And then your password is your birthday. You're going to click Login. And this is the page that's going to come up. Guys, it has every Studies Weekly for all the different grades, okay? We don't need all that, so you're going to go where it says Select Grade Level, click down to 4th grade, and then it's going to bring up our Studies Weekly. If you click on that, this is where it brings up each week. So you see week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. As you scroll, it continues. We're going to do week 1 this week. This is the only week that you need to look at, okay? So week 1, you'll click on Continue Reading, and then it's going to bring up your articles over to the side, okay? So that is how you will get in and work on your social studies, guys. Happy learning!